Hey everyone, Dr. Jim from River Valley Chiropractic. Today in our Ask the Doc segment, we're going to talk about sciatic discomfort. We recently had a patient call the clinic and ask if chiropractors can help with sciatic discomfort. The short answer is generally yes, but we first need to understand what sciatic discomfort is and some of the possible causes. So typically when a patient describes themselves as having sciatic pain, it is going to be a combination of pain, numbness, burning, or even weakness anywhere along the sciatic nerve pathway, which goes into the glute, down the back of the leg, and ends in the big toe. So as chiropractors, we need to identify what probably is causing the problem. So three of the most common ones we see are an issue in the low back, which the nerves that leave the spine that come and make up the sciatic nerve all come from the low back area. So if you've shifted in that low back, it'll put pressure on those nerves, causing a problem into that sciatic nerve. But it could also be the disc in those areas, putting that same pressure on the nerves that leave the low back area and make up that sciatic nerve. And there's even a muscle, which is the piriformis muscle, which is deep underneath the glutes, that can also mimic that sciatic pain by putting pressure on the sciatic nerve right where it exits if that piriformis is super tight. So as chiropractors, we need to identify what is the probable cause, and that helps us get the most effective treatment. A personal story for me is I had rolled my ankle a couple weeks ago chasing after my kids at the park. Well, it was no more than a week or so later and I started getting sciatic issues. And the adjustments that I was getting were helping, but it wasn't getting rid of it. Well, in reality, what was happening was my ankle was causing me to have an altered gait, which put pressure on my low back and into that sciatic nerve. So until we dealt with the ankle issue, which needed to be adjusted, and then did the adjustments in the low back, that sciatic pain wasn't going away. So as chiropractors, we kind of pride ourselves in stepping back and looking at the body as a whole and figuring out what might be the true cause of the problem. I hope you enjoyed this info. As always, please share it so others can see. And if you're interested in more information like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at River Valley Chiropractic on Alaska.